Alright, so fun. Realized my microphone wasn't recording. Anyway, so here, when installing anything that you need for any of my tutorials or just in general, what you need to do is first thing is go to any of your web browser and search Python. And you could be here first one, welcome to python.org. Python.org, that's the domain, or name and domain. Search 3.8.9 in the search bar at the home menu. That's the version that I use for my videos. Scroll all the way down and then you'll see instructions for how to install for Mac OS and Windows. For me, on Windows. So click Windows Installer 64-bit and you should see installer download. Click open. I'm going to quickly uninstall this so I can reinstall. What I've noticed from most of the people having issues with pip, which is if you do command and then pip, is a lot of people won't have this show up, and I'll show you how to fix that right now. You just need to add it to path when installing, but a lot of people don't do that. Alright, perfect. So it's installed. Right here, Windows Installer 64-bit. So you should have that installed. I'll just click here. Install now, but see what says Python 3.8 add to path. Click this right here, and now install now. And then that should be your pip issue fixed. If it's not, then honestly, you're just gonna have to YouTube it, and it's a terrible experience trying to figure that out. So let's wait for this to install. And okay, perfect. So it's installed. Just close this, and now if you do open your command prompt, just close these. Pip, and now you should see this install. Alright, so next thing we're doing is installing the discord.py library. For me, I'm using version 1.7.3, but in the future, if for whatever reason that the discord.py library is continued for some reason, or that 2.0 is added to pip, if you want to do 1.3, just all you have to do is equals 1.7.3. Now, if you don't care what version, pip install discord.py. And I do use Colorama in a few of my videos, so pip install Colorama. This is kind of just for visualizing the code if I'm explaining it. But if there's any of the libraries that I haven't covered here, all you have to do is Google like the import name, and then you should find the library name, and there's instructions how to install it with pip. Alright, so final thing is I'm not even sure if this is real important, but just install the IDE that I use mainly. Yeah, Visual Studio's code. Just seriously, just install or search Visual Studio Code. It would prompt it to the website here, and it says download for Windows. You click this arrow, Mac, Windows, Linux, and just download for Windows and Windows, and then just run it there, and you should be all good. So I wish you guys luck in any of my tutorials and anyone else also, and good luck, y'all.